Hello everyone, welcome back to DeRoyal FX Trading, your go-to channel for insightful Forex analysis and trading strategies. This week we are diving into the market trends for the week of January 20th to January 24th. We will be analyzing key currency pairs, upcoming economic events, and the potential opportunities they present. So grab your trading journals and let's get started. Uh, this week's economic calendar is packed with high impact news that will likely move the markets. Here are some of the insights. On Monday, 20th of January, as you can see here, we have USD bank holiday. On Tuesday, we have the Canadian CPI data, which could significantly impact CAD pairs. On Thursday, as you can see here, we have Canada's core retail sales data is set to release, and we will also see the US unemployment claims. On Friday, will be all about PMI data from major economies, including France, Germany, and the UK, as well as the Bank of Japanese monetary policy decisions. Keep these events in mind as they may create a volatility in the market. So now let's break down my outlook on the major currencies and the potential moves we could see this week. First, we will analyze all the indices pairs, starting with Europe. My analysis suggests a bearish sentiment, and I'm expecting the euro to weaken this week, especially with the release of PMI data that could underperform market expectations. So this is the overall structure of euro index. So let me show you on 4 hourly time frame. So last time you remember when we have this large channel and it's already hit our target here, and then we can see the price pull back here, and now on this trend line it retests multiple times, and here we can see we got an impulse, and now this is a clear correction. And so now, if we look for hourly time frame, what euro index actually is doing. So here we can see on the trend line we have three touches, and we got an impulse correction. So I'm expecting that for euro to be weakened this week. So this is our first target that we are expecting on euro. It is actually possible to reach until these lower levels, but we will see how it will end. Next will be JBP index. JBP actually is different than euro because of the price action that we see on a 4 hourly time frame. So here is the 4 hourly structure. So, and here we have two unimportant points here. Now we can see the price is here in double bottom. It's at double bottom, and here we have another strong buy area for here. So these two areas actually we can see both of them, they are strong buy areas. So the reason why I'm saying like it is possible for pound to be a bullish market for this week is that here we can see a clear descending structure correction here. So if I show you on hourly time frame, yes, you can see in a clear way. So if now here we have multiple touches here, so that is why, and we get an impulse. Now is kind of forming correction here. After this correction, actually it is possible for pound to be in a buy direction. So anyway, we will see the overall what will happen on this pair. So next it will be on AUD index. Actually, the Australian dollar look is strong this week, um, and I'm expecting it to continue its upward momentum, because last time I told you that it was here and here we had here double top, so the price actually fall down this area, and now we can see again the price is hitting upward, very strong momentum. So even I analyze this for 15-minute time frame, and now we can see here we have a strong impulse, and now is creating a correction here. After the break of this correction, basically we are expecting for Australian dollar to be a bullish market as well. So it is possible actually for this price to reach these upper levels. So we will see how it will perform. And next we have NZD indices. So NZD indices basically is following similar to trend to as AUD, and I am bullish on New Zealand dollar as well. So usually and New Zealand dollar and Australian dollar, they follow same structure. And now here we can see even we got an impulse correction, and here the reason I said here is for this double multiple touches on our trend line. It didn't break, so here lastly we can see we got a little break here, but the price momentum, so we are expecting the price to continue it is upward until these the areas. Okay, so actually the price of AUD is NZD is very lovely, so we will see as well. Next we have JPY. Actually JPY, the Japanese yen could weaken as the Bank of Japanese policy decisions may reinforce their dovish stance. If we look together on 4 hourly time frame here, we can see it is actually also here we got multiple retests on our trend line. So what I like about this pair, and the reason why I'm thinking JPY will be weak, this is here for this clear descending channel. We got here correction, and we got an impulse correction. So even if you look for 15-minute time frame, so you can see here we got a strong impulse, now it's kind of creating a correction. So actually we can hold this trade until these lower levels. So lastly I want to show you for CAD. With the upcoming CPI and retail sales data, I remain bearish on CAD. Any signs of economic weakness could drive the Canadian dollar lower. So even last week, this pair actually was moving uh, um, bearish market. So here, this is the overall structure. Let me show you the 4-hourly time frame. Here we get a double top here, and now we can see it break our trend line. So that's why we are expecting this pair actually to move until these targets. Okay, so here we have a strong channel. So and even like at the moment for hourly time frame, so it's kind of forming impulse correction. So here we got 1 2 3 touch, and now is actually possible this to pull back around this and then to continue these lower levels. Okay, so that's what I'm expecting on Canadian dollar for this week. So now let's take a quick look at my watch list for the week. Here is the list that I think these pairs that we can trade for the week. We will start by analyzing Euro NZD, currently showing a slight upward move. But I am watching for a reversal in line with my Euro short basis. So actually, if we see the price action for Euro NZD, here is again we got multiple types. We got impulse correction, and now we are just waiting a confirmation of entry. It already gave us an entry in here, and the market closed it on Friday. So when the market open tonight, we will see how this will run on this trade, but total I'm expecting euro and NZD 157 pips. So actually it is actually amazing, and here we have a double top. So I think because of, as I told you, NZD, we are expecting a bullish market, NZD index. So this is the reversal of that one. Next is Euro AUD. So Euro AUD always have positive correlation with euro NZD. So here again we have double top, impulse, correction, and now we are expecting 100 or 95 pips for the week on euro AUD. So because we know like AUD is we are expecting in a bullish market, so this is kind of reverse actually structure. So if it breaks this here, that means we will actually wait for a continuation on this pair. So next we have Euro JPY. So Euro JPY is also the structure of it in 4-hour time frame. What I like about this pair is that here it's showing, if you look here, we have area of volume, and here is kind of a double bottom area, and here is already a buy zone area, and we can see here on our trend line it touches multiple times and it didn't break. So this kind of shows you this area, this value area. Usually when the price reaches this kind of areas, you have to look carefully, because you can get a strong buy, is a strong buy zone. So if this trade becomes success, we are waiting more than 150 pips actually. So let me show you how it happens, how it is forming this pair. So here actually last time I buy it here, and now the price is slightly coming back towards the entry point, but we will hold this trade until that, which will be 460 bp. If you are trading for this pair, I will always suggest you to wait if until it reaches these lower levels, and then you can put your stop loss below this level, and then you can hold the trade. Okay, so that's why I add on the watch list, and I know that JPY is bearish this week. Next we have AUD JPY. Actually, bullish momentum is strong here, aligning with my long outlook on AUD and short basis on JPY. So that is why is also this one absolutely, when I see this kind of trades, guys, like 99% they become as we analyze it. Okay, the reason why I'm saying to you in here is that here again we have a strong buy zone, and again here 1 2 3, and here we got another descending channel here, and then we got impulse. Now what we're waiting is the price to pull back here, and then we can get an entry from somewhere here. So if the price comes back, and then boom, our target will be this area, which will be 267 pips. Okay, so always you can make your stop loss 15 to 20 pips. It's up to you how you trade. So that's what I'm expecting on AUD JPY. JPP JPY basically is also same structure as AUD JPY and Euro JPY, but this one is a little different because here in the lower level we have a strong buy zone here. So is it possible for JPY to reach this lower level first before it goes to pi? So here around it will be 200 pips, but I am confident that as we analyze it already for JPY and JPP index, so this pair could be a potential to remain bullish market, and total 335 pips. We will see if it reaches first this level, which will be 200 pips, and then we can buy this, but I don't think so because of the price action that we have at the moment, so which is ready. So any update for this pair I will let you know as well. Next, we have NZD JPY. NZD JPY is also showing a lovely structure. So all of them, they have kind of similar structures, guys. And here again, we have a double bottom here, and then we got multiple touches, 1, 2, 3, and we get another structure. So if you look all of them, they have same structure, and that is why we are expecting a strong bullish market for all these pairs. So this one will be 260 pips if you hold until that target. So next, we have JBP NZD. So JBP NZD, actually, as we analyze it as a Polish market for JBP indices, so it is actually possible for this to remain again for as bearish in this week. So actually the structure of this is amazing. Here we get double top, we got an impulse, we got correction, impulse, correction, impulse, and now this structure is basically a clear correction. So what we are expecting is another continuation for this pair, and we know that NZD is a Polish, NZD index is a Polish in this week. So also keep an eye on this pair as well. So the structure of all these pairs, guys, is all of them is showing quite amazing. Next we have JPP AUD. JPP AUD is, let me show you on what happening on 15-minute time frame here. So here is the inverse of AUD index. Okay, so now let me show you the structure of, again, for Australian dollar. So you can see here impulse, correction, and now here you can see is the inverse, is the opposite. Okay, so if this trade breaks, maybe it is possible you will get an entry tonight, and our first target will be 128 pips. Okay, so this is also amazing structure. So here again we have a CAD CHF. As we know, we will have on the Canadian news on that's coming for this week. So, and again, this already pair is going lovely, and we have a short structure. So here we got 1, 2, 3 on our channel. We got an now we get an impulse. So what actually we wait here is until this to continue on these lower levels, which will be 110 babies, our target for the week. So next we have USD CHF. So actually I am waiting if euro and GBP went in a sell direction, but this one I like the structure of USD CHF, what I'm seeing here, because here is we got an impulse, now we are in a correction form. So for me, I will be happy to trade this pair until it will break this actually correction. So if I see that we break it in this structure and then we get some pullback, and then yes, I can sell for USD CHF only if it breaks. Okay, only if it breaks, and then our target for the week will be like around 200 pips. That's why I add on the watch list. So next we have USD JPY. So this pair is showing actually same as again for bearish momentum, consistent with my bearish outlook on JPY. So again, because of USD, maybe it is possible for this to continue on sell direction. But for me, I don't want to trade for USD JPY. So, but the target, if it hit around 300, again, pips left. So maybe because of that, it is possible for this to reach here. But I know that JPY, Euro JPY, all of them are showing strong bullish momentum. So because of that, it is actually possible for this to be in again, that for us to see that USD JPY again to be in a bullish market, because we will not surprise, and we know that already JPY is JPY is already weak in this what we expect. So that is why I am thinking like actually it is possible to reach these lower levels. But anyway, for this trade, like my target actually was here. So when we get this trade was around 209 pp's. So actually I don't like to trade the pairs when they already hit the target. So that is why we will see, and I will get update you as well when the market open. So next and finally, and the final pair that I want to analyze is gold. Basically I was expecting gold to reach that double top, so almost like 8 nearly to 900. But before that, actually here we have a strong sell area, so that is why we got an impulse, and now the price reached the same area again. So this time, so if I show you hourly time frame, so here we can see that the price, we get an impulse, and now it tucked on this area of volume, and then we get again for an entry here. So this trade already ran at 170 bb's. So actually this pair I'm waiting gold actually to remain weak until it will reach these lower levels. So what we are looking for gold is only if it become near to these lower levels again. Okay, so if gold come back these levels and we put our stop loss below this level, so then we will see if gold will remain sell and it will go to our direction. So it will be around actually around 350 bb's. Okay, so it is possible gold and actually to reach these lower levels. I know is like 1000 pp's. So for overall structure, like if I show you the overall structure, I'm waiting gold to drop 1000 pp's, but I will see the structure. I know like if gold guys reach on these levels, believe me, it will continue until these lower until the these lower levels until it will hit our target. But for the week, this is will be our first entry, our first target, and then we will see if we get another opportunity for gold, and we will see if gold breaks these above levels. So in order to reach that upper level. So that's it for my analysis this week. Remember, these are my personal market perspectives based on current data and trends. Always do your own analysis before taking trades, and try to manage your risk wisely. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on my latest content. Good luck and happy trading. See you next time.